Good morning. Tara, basa na tayo ng ating libro guys. The Word in Other Words, Bible Diary 2023. 04 April 2025. Nandito na tayo sa page ng 24 March, Friday, 4th week of Lent. That Violet, PS is for. Pakisabay na ako ng basa guys. Yung may kasabayan kong bumili nito sa St. Joseph Church dito sa Hong Kong. Sabay-sabay na tayo magbasa. Or yung wala naman, sa Bible na lang kayo tumingin. Kasi ito yung homily. Galing naman ito sa Bible. The word first reading, W-I. What is W-I? Wisdom. So, Wisdom, chapter 2, verse 1, and then verse 12 to verse 22. Lumaktaw siya. Okay, ulitin ko. Wisdom, chapter 2, verse 1, and then verse 12 to verse 22. Nasabayan niyo ba ako, mga mga ka-OFW ko dyan? Basa na tayo. Ito lang yung tanging sandalan natin. Kasi nga, malayo tayo sa pamilya natin. So, yun. Unang-una, hingi ko muna kay Father God na pagalingin na yung husband ko. Magpagaling ka kaagad. Yun. Minsan talaga yung health natin, guys, hindi natin yan masasabi na malakas tayo ngayon. Parati tayong malakas. Siyempre, nagkakaedad na tayo, andyan na yung katulad ng kay daddy na maga na yung paa niya. So yun, di natin masasabi yung health talaga ng tao. Kaya lagi ko lang talagang dasal sa kay Father God. Nawa, good health lang ako, fit to work lang parati. Yun lang talaga ang tanging panalangin ko. Kasi aanhin mo talaga ang pera, guys, kung lagi ka namang na-hospital, diba? So, yun. Kumbaga sa marami kang ang pera, lagi ka namang na-hospital, so useless yung pera mo. Kaya ang lagi mong hilingin kay Father God, huwag kayamanan, kundi laging good health lang ang ibigay niya sa'yo. Diba? Okay, basa na tayo. The word first reading, Wisdom chapter 2, verse 12. Chapter 2, verse... nabubulol na tuloy si Ralph. Wisdom chapter 2, verse 1, and then verse 12 to verse 22. They who said among themselves, thinking not aright, brave and troublous is our lifetime. Neither is there any remedy for man's dying, nor is anyone known to have come back from the netherworld. Let us visit the just one, because he is obnoxious to us. He sets himself against our doings, reproaches us for transgressions of the law, and charges us with violations of our training. He professes to have knowledge of God and styles himself a child of the Lord. To us he is the censure of our thoughts. Merely to see him is a hardship for us, because his life not like other means, and different are his ways. He judges us debased. He holds aloof from our paths as from things impure. He calls blessed the destiny of the just, and boasts the God is his Father. Let us see whether his words be true. Let us find out what will happen to him. For if the just one be the Son of God, he will defend him and deliver him from the hand of his foes. With revealment and torture, let us put him to the test, that we may have proof of his gentleness and try his patience. Let us condemn him to a shameful death. For according to his own words, God will take care of him. These were their thoughts, but they erred, for their wickedness blinded them, and they knew not the hidden counsels of God, neither did they count on a recompense of holiness, nor discern the innocent soul's reward. Gospel reading, JN is John Gospel. John chapter 7, verse 1 to verse 2, verse 10, verse 25 to verse 30. Ba't kaya laktaw-laktaw? Okay, Gospel reading, John chapter 7, verse 1 to verse 2, verse 10, verse 25 to verse 30. Nasabayan niyo ba ako, guys? Mahirap talaga magbasa ng ganito. Pero okay lang, laktaw-laktaw, sundan niyo na lang ako. Jesus moved about within Galilee, but he did not wish to travel in Judea, because the Jews were trying to kill him. But the Jewish feast of tabernacles was near. But when his brothers had gone up to the feast, he himself also went up, not openly, but as it were in secret. So some of the inhabitants of Jerusalem said, "Is he not the one they are trying to kill? And look, he is speaking openly, and they say nothing to him." Could the authorities have realized that he is the Messiah? But we know where he is from. When the Messiah comes, no one will know where he is from. So Jesus cried out in the temple and in the temple area as he was teaching and said, "You know me, and also know where I am from, yet I did not come on my own, but the one who sent me, whom you do not know, is true. I know him because I am from him, and he sent me." So they tried to arrest him, but no one laid a hand upon him because his hour had not yet come. In other words, by Father John Sealand, SBD Japan. Those who met or heard about Jesus wondered whether or not he was the Christ, the Messiah prophesied in the Old Testament. However, no one seemed to have known for sure. From time to time, however, Jesus, knowing that the people were ignorant about his identity, told them frankly who he was by referring to his origin. "I have not come of myself," he said, "but the one who sent me, whom you do not know, is true. I know him because I am from him, and he sent me." John chapter 7, verse 28 to verse 29. This tells us that the Jews knew very little about Jesus. They also knew very little about God. Were they closer? Were they closer to God, they would have been able to see Jesus, if not as the Son of God, at least as a holy man and someone sent by God. It is by staying close to God that we are able not only to know who Jesus is, but also to see him working in our lives and the lives of others. Saint Anselm, 1033-1109, Archbishop of Canterbury, once wrote about this when he said that faith leads to understanding. That he meant us that first we are given the grace to believe in the existence of God. Then, as time passes, we seek to know more about God. At the same time, the more we understand God, the deeper our faith becomes. This, of course, encourages us to constantly deepen our understanding of who God is. It is also why we need a God and consistent prayer life and to read the Bible and spiritual books. Then when we meet God in heaven, we will feel that He isn't a total stranger. We've already come to know Him quite well because of our daily efforts to deepen our knowledge of His goodness and love. Bukas na itong 25 March Saturday. Bye everyone. God bless.